Hey, Dan Passarella here. Well, today the market was up about 0.5% as measured by the SPY, which is basically what I would consider the market to be. Fairly quiet day, really light volume for the day. The bank stocks were basically the only ones that had a couple of problems. We had Wells Fargo, Bank of America off just a little bit, but not really that much. So people are still somewhat concerned about the banking crisis, but maybe not all that much. Now, we kind of had just some perfect news today. It's Goldilocks, baby. If you look this morning, and here, let's pull up the news. I just like to sometimes get a little digest by looking at the news here on Thinkorswim, type in SPY, and you get the general market news. We had some data come out. The GDP, this was, I believe, the second and final revision for Q4, quarter over quarter. It was 2.6% versus 2.7% estimate. The jobless claims was 198,000 versus 198,000 versus 196,000 estimated. And then the core PCE prices for Q4, 4.4% versus 4.3%. So look, there was no surprises. It's what folks expected. And, it was just sitting right there where everybody thought. And so we didn't get any major market news or major market moves as a result of that. So we live to fight another day. Let's go for it tomorrow, my friends. Hang strong. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.